going from the military into a bank where I was already behind the curve. My peers had already had 8 years in banking, and they knew they picked up all the kind of lingo, the abbreviations, but they'd also learned the bad habits. And so I was joining in my first 6 months at JP. I was joining meetings, and people were talking in what seemed like a genuinely different language to me, because that didn't even translate bank to bank, or even within the bank. It was team specific, and there was so much jargon used. I was like, "What's going on here?" So I had to walk out of meetings, sit down with my notebook, and then go and ask people questions. Well, what does this mean? What does this mean in practice? And ultimately, it came down to, well, if I can explain this to my mother or someone who has absolutely no context, then I can understand that myself. And I know this is a sort of relatively cliche recommendation, but I still find those principles applicable today.